Hello guys, and today we're doing shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, bro. I'm trying to do my intro, bro. Jesus. I'm trying to do my intro. So yep, I told you my brain was fried, so yep, making me that Chinese making that on. And what the cocoa elephant to just gone through and read my game is
This is literally the one thing my wife. Oh my gosh, what about this one? Is this 26? Bro. Whoa! Jeez! Alright, 26 the timer. 26 the timer.
what? Nah, bro. As I'm selling this for purpose because she can put the volume down. I'm trying to play like yeah, I'm right now recording. Nah, boy, I can't. Like I already verified, so like yeah.
Don't post it. Don't post it yet.
I don't. Yo, okay. Sneak peek, guys. Look at this. I think this is going to get changed, bro. The yin yang, yo, disconnected. I got disconnected, bro. I got disconnected. So gotta leave. Even the TV is like.
Here, you know what? There's actually an easier way to do this.
And people are spamming in the chat, like, you know.
I'm gonna join
What's
this
this?
on my phone.
What the cards again? Yeah, Kahoots. People are spamming it. Yo, guys, I think I have to do
Oh, I
something.
got hacked. It's over. I got hacked. I'm hacked. It's over.
Cricket leaked his password, so yep. Bo got hacked.
Join.
And thank you for the 7 subscribers. Whoever subscribed,
Okay.
I had like 6
Alright, let me take
subscribers.
out
I
my
don't know,
stuff.
6
Let
or
me take out
7.
my stuff.
Hey, 6, 7.
Put this on my alt account here. Hey there, Creek
And
Rat. What's up, buddy?
And by the way,
Yeah, sit down, bald man. Bald
I'm
man, we
with
help.
I'm with Christopher the
I didn't
Quantum.
actually hack. We're good. Yo, Marcia. Thank you so much, Marcia.
I'm with Christopher the
Alright,
Quantum.
there's one. So I can fit way more stuff in my base now. So, W. I'm gonna put you in here. Can you please, what did that say? Hold on a second, I'll look. Hold on a second. Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, man, it's not my problem, bro. That is not my problem.
Get in here. What's up, bro? Yo, what's going on, dude? How you doing, man? Where you at? Man? We only got 49 in the chat. I'm very excited for this update. I think it's gonna be I think it's gonna be awesome. I'm very, very excited. It's gonna be really good.
Those whose childhood movies are Demon Slayer, W to all you guys. Like, those whose childhood. Yo, I need to leave. Bro. I need to leave. I joined the public server by mistake. Okay, yo, I'm lucky, bro. I'm lucky. I'm the luckiest fucking person, bro.
I have your golden one, by the way. Okay, I'll get it.
Bro.
I'll get it. And there we go. Grab my gold one real quick. It's right here. There we go. /clear chat. Relax.
But what happened?
Dude, I love this
Oh,
song.
the deer
Play
is
it.
hurt.
There we go.
Wait.
Yo, TV Man Roblox.
Good
Gamer,
for
thank you so
him,
much.
bro. Who was there clapping my cheeks like? Okay, bro, instead of putting me to me, bro. Ouch, bro. Oh, chill, bro. This way you got hurt, nigga. Chill, bro. Chill.
I'm gonna put some of those upstairs in there too.
I killed him. I stabbed him. I neutralized him.
Grande, there we go.
Okay, neutralized him.
Tiana Games, thank you for subscribing. Bless your face. Hey, Creep, great googly moogly. Oh no, my dragon get alone. I can't believe I missed that one.
Giggity,
Giggity,
giggity, giggity,
that was so dumb. I'm gonna put my lost buggies in here. Because y'all know Kayla's in the state and Fulton, they're gonna try and steal this. So let me put this. I'm a huge fan. Can you please friend me? Dylan Verhelst, thank you very much, man. I can't friend on the super chats though. But Dylan, I appreciate you. Thank you, man. W Dylan. W Dylan. Alright,
Yep, it's got delayed by the way. I'm literally watching because and it's got delayed. I wasn't even listening until I said that's when the chat it said like what's this like it's got delayed, yo, got delayed. And Caucus already noticed.
Got the guest in there. I'm gonna hit myself. Bald man. And yeah, everyone beat up free grab. Oh, I'm definitely throwing this in there for sure. Oh yeah, look at that. Shout out to Sky Blaze for that. 100%. Do I like chicken wings?
On to Aura Farm right now.
How many more spots do I have?
It's fine, on to Aura Farm. Yeah.
That's perfect, actually.
What's this? Yeah, this mythic lucky block onto Aura Farm. So it's what's this? So at 25 seconds, I'm gonna start Aura Farm. When it's ending, yep, I'm still gonna start Aura Farm. My game is lagging right now.
Y'all sending me roses, thanks, Jack. I'm eating roses.
By the way, it's gonna be at 10 right now, bro. So yep, that will be my bet. 9, 8, 7, 6. By the way, it's what the rarest thing. I even forgot. What this? What do you call it again? Like what this? That was the banana. That one. That was like a bananita.
If you're looking to get a lot of stuff really fast, it's actually a really easy way to do it.
Oh yeah, bananita.
There's this website you can buy stuff.
Clapping me loud. Okay.
It's called Subway.
It's good.
They even have a few stores that you can go into, and you can actually buy subs in real life as well. So I buy all of my stuff from Subway. Shout out to Subway.
I have enough money for the admin of this.
And
yep, I'm putting a
what I got here.
Okay, bye. To shop at the quantum. And you keep it here, but yeah.
Boom. 6 accounts. Boom. And still brainrot. Servers. Boom. Join in. There we go.
No, just keep
You
it.
forgot your dragon? Greek quick.
By the way, who?
Buy lucky blocks. No.
Huh?
I don't want to waste more money. I don't want to waste more money.
Oh. Okay, that
Oh,
means
I
I mistake.
Alright, I'm going to join Sammy, alright? Should I join him?
Okay. Ask your friends for what's this 6 A4 no 8 A4 paper. What? Yeah, I was saying 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The two. What's this? You know the rest here. They can go to.
Hey, Pookie Bears. May I join in?
I don't think it's on paper. I think they're already finished.
Alright, Jack.
Ask him then.
I'll message you. There it is. There we go. Let's see if they let me in, Chad. Let's see if they let me in. Let's see if they let me in. Let me not leak the link. There we go.
Okay.
Alright. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Oh, man. I get to meet my idol,
But guys,
Sammy
what's
Spider
this? I'm putting a
and
timer
Taylor
where
Gloss
like
and
it will ring
Saquon
at 10, so
and
like
Fulton
I can
fam.
join.
Fulton fam on top. Hope y'all ready. Here, I'll hit
So
y'all up
when
with
it's like,
server look real quick.
so guys, make sure to subscribe
You
so I
got the
can.
time. Oh, leak. It's over. It's
Yep,
over.
Bro got leaked again. Bro got leaked again. He got
Robot.
leaked again.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, there y'all go. There y'all go.